notion of our higher self is a profound facet of our existence. While it may seem unconventional, perhaps even implausible, to believe in something we have never directly experienced, let us delve a little deeper into this concept. What if your higher self communicated with you through subtle signals? Imagine the possibilities that lie in exploring this idea. Think of your higher self as a presence almost within arm's reach, but often unnoticed as we navigate the complexities of existence. It patiently awaits our recognition, while our innermost desires serve as its silent companions, guiding us to revelations that escape our physical senses. Consider the interconnectedness between the physical, spiritual, and emotional dimensions that define our human experience. These three aspects are intrinsically linked, influencing one another in both obvious and subtle ways. Though we can choose to ignore this unity, it resides within us, shaping our reality. But what does our higher self truly want from us? I believe it yearns for our awareness of the world around us. It seeks to awaken our consciousness to the energies that permeate our environment. Without this connection, how can we discern what is beneficial or harmful to our inner energy? This journey is about unraveling the enigmatic signals our higher self uses to capture our attention. The first sign of higher self-communication is the world of vivid dreams. These dreams are not mere nocturnal wanderings of the mind. They are a deep channel of communication from a higher dimension. When this dimension seeks to transmit a message, a sign, or a gentle warning, it does so through our dreams. Think of your dreams as a bridge between your earthly self and your higher self. Within this connection, you may encounter events that transcend the boundaries of past, present, and future. These dreams are clear indicators that your higher self is striving to make a connection with you. For instance, when your dreams reflect events currently happening in your life, they serve as direct messages from your soul. They call you to nurture your passions and move forward. Dreams, therefore, are a gateway to deeper understanding and spiritual connection. The second sign is the subtle but profound phenomenon of mirroring yourself in the lives of others. Have you ever noticed how your words and actions sometimes seem perfectly in sync with those of someone else? It feels as though you are sharing the same opinion or consciousness. Imagine two friends conversing, their words echoing each other's thoughts. This phenomenon is not coincidental. It's the essence of mirroring and a sign of higher self-communication. When you repeatedly experience this alignment, it could be your higher self transmitting messages through others. To fully embrace and interpret these messages, create moments of stillness. In these quiet moments, you deepen your connection with your soul and allow its wisdom to guide your spiritual journey. The third sign is intuition, a beacon of truth and guidance. Intuition is a precious compass for life's journey, offering warnings and insights before events unfold. Consider this everyday scenario. You're on your way to work and must choose between two routes. One is your usual path, and the other, though less familiar, feels right. A subtle discomfort nudges you toward the unfamiliar route. Trusting this feeling, you avoid an unexpected traffic accident along your usual path. Intuition is a messenger from your higher self, offering guidance to avoid unnecessary obstacles and embrace opportunities for growth. Even if the outcome isn't immediately clear, intuition always provides valuable insights. The fourth sign is the sudden appearance of people in your life. These encounters may seem coincidental, but they carry deep spiritual significance. The universe often orchestrates the arrival of individuals just when you need guidance or support. These individuals are not mere chance encounters. They are woven into the web of synchronistic events. Recognizing the beauty of this cosmic design reaffirms the connection between your soul and the forces at play. The universe's wisdom brings the right people to you, fostering growth and understanding. Our thoughts are not random reflections, but a channel through which our higher self communicates. Thoughts shape our perceptions and influence how we respond to the world. By encouraging positive thinking, our higher self helps us discern meaningful connections in life. Thoughts can act as intuitive messages, offering insights beyond logic. Practices like meditation and mindfulness help us access this inner wisdom, allowing for deeper reflection and alignment with our true purpose. As we embark on self-discovery, we may find ourselves separating from certain individuals. While once integral to our lives, these relationships may no longer align with our growth. This phenomenon is a reflection of the higher self's evolution. This process, though challenging, leads to new connections with people who encourage personal development. Trust the guidance of your higher self as it steers you toward relationships that align with your spiritual journey. The sixth sign is the intensity of emotions. As we connect with our higher self, our feelings may become more profound, reflecting inner transformation. These emotions, whether joyful or challenging, are indicators of spiritual growth. Recognize these emotions as valuable tools for connecting with your higher self. They deepen your understanding of your inner world, enhancing the bond between your emotional and spiritual dimensions. Have you felt a growing desire to spend more time alone? This is not isolation, but a call from your higher self for introspection. Solitude allows us to organize our thoughts and emotions, fostering a deeper connection with our spiritual essence. Embrace these moments of solitude as opportunities to strengthen your connection with your higher self. They offer clarity and alignment with your true purpose. Meditation is a powerful practice that connects the physical and spiritual realms. By dedicating time to silent introspection, you create a bridge to your higher self. Meditation calms the mind, enhances presence, and fosters spiritual growth. This practice also helps release unnecessary baggage in relationships, opening the door to higher realms of understanding. Through meditation, you gain valuable insights and the strength to navigate life's challenges. The final sign is a profound sense of inspiration and enthusiasm. Significant changes in your life often stem from a deeper connection with your higher self. This connection sparks creativity, focus, and the courage to embrace new opportunities. As your higher self awakens, you may explore uncharted territories and experience life with renewed purpose. This transformation highlights the profound impact of spiritual alignment. These signs represent just a glimpse into the intricate communication with your higher self. Reflect on how these indicators manifest in your life and embrace moments of introspection and spiritual practice. By nurturing this connection, you open the door to greater understanding and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this message resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, let's continue exploring the mysteries of our higher self.